Hi there from sunny Plain City. Today we're going to do a 5-minute workout. 1 minute of 5 different exercises. I'm with my best girls today. I've got Riley on my right, Rosie on my left, and front center, Georgia. You ready, girls? Yeah! All right, let me get my timer ready. I don't think they had phones in the 80s. We do now for timers.
Cool, that's blinding me.
All right, ready? We're going to start with jumping jacks. Oh, everyone ready? And go. 1 minute. Jumping jacks. Jump, jump, jump. Keep going. Do it. Keep going, ladies. Trim those thighs. All right. We still have 40 seconds to go. This is 5 minutes of burn. If you need to go a little slower, you can do that. If you need to take a break, you can too. To get right back in it. You guys are young, strong. You've got this. 20 seconds, yes. 20 seconds. Feel the burn.
Let it burn.
After this, we're going to go to ins and outs. Squats. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
How do you do
We're going to squat down, and then in, out, in, out. There you go. We got a cheerleader here. Go, Georgia. See how low you can go. Yay.
it? Go low.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Oh, this one's going to be hard. Keep going. Don't even know what's going on behind me. Keep going. 30 seconds. Oh, this is hard. All right. You all can do it. I just got out of the boot 3 weeks ago. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. We're going down for mountain climber. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Everybody down. Hand up. Mountain climbers. How you doing, Riley? Good. How you doing, Rosie?
Horrible.
How you doing, Georgia? I don't know what the camera looks like to the side, so I'll do the front. All right. Go fast. Go fast, guys. Fast. Hurry. Hurry. And go slow. 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 Fast. Fast. Run, Georgia. Go. 15 seconds. Come on. 15 seconds. Hard. Hard. Come on, girls. Go. 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 Woo. 10 seconds. Holy cow. Okay. We're going to take a 5-second break. Stay down in your plank. Back down. Plank jacks. Hand. Go. As fast as you want it. Make them. Start slow or go continuously. Woo. This is something to build on. Come on, girl. You're my bread and butter. I need ya. Halfway there. Halfway there. Woo. One more after this. We've got the dreaded burpees. You're doing great, Chi. Come on. Go. 15 seconds. 15. 14. 13. Button down, Rosie. In a plank like this. Strong. I was watching you. 4, 3, 2, 1. And everyone up. All right. Just do 50 seconds. 50 seconds really strong of burpees. All right, everyone down. Down. Out. In. Yeah. Down. Out. In. Woo. If you're really feeling it, all the way down.
You can do an exercise like that.
over there.